Lots of reaction from Capitol Hill, but first, your reaction. Robert is on the line first from Henderson, Kentucky, independent caller. Good morning, Robert. What do you think of the president's actions yesterday?
Good morning, sir. I think President Trump's action is more a show. He has no power to implement anything. Congress has to implement it. I don't think the governor for the 25%. I just think that it's all for show. He's incompetent, and he really doesn't have a plan.
All right, Robert. Juliet is on the line from Rockport, Massachusetts now, also on the independent line. Hey, Juliet.
Yes, good morning. Well, I think this is President Donald Trump's brilliant move. As usual, he's playing four-dimensional chess, and he is circumventing Congress because he's taking the message directly to the American people. And it's concise, it's strategic, it encompasses all demographics of the United States populace. And I think, how can Democrats, especially Nancy Pelosi and Chuck Schumer, reject this platform? I mean, yes, perhaps he's taken it upon himself to act executively, but it is with his realm of power. It may not all be able to pass. However, it's the message going directly to the people who see how obstructionist the Congress is being. And there's just no one who's going to come through in a fashion that's going to see that if this fails, the American people, this is a big win for President Trump. And I think because of his strategic, over all encompassing strategy is going to work. And he's brilliant at doing this, and he's painting them into a corner, and I'm afraid it's going to fail. So I thank you so much for taking my call.
All right, Juliet, thank you for calling from Massachusetts. On to